Oh my god, I caught. Whoa! This fish is huge! Wait, how do I cross this? Oh. Hey, it's good to end on a good note, though, you know? I think before, when I was streaming once on DVD, I lost, like, every single game, and that was definitely not fun. Like, it was still fun, but definitely, Oh, let me show my fish. Look. We got the lobster. Lobster, I hardly know her. This is the weird one.
What?
Does it look weird?
You're so small. Wait.
Wait, let me. Oh, I can barely run with it.
Yeah.
I wish you could trip people over with it. Yeah, like
Fine.
like quarter him with the fishes. Damn! What are the odds of that?
that was kind of like perfectly timed.
Yeah, that's perfect.